What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy FatKat, of course, bringing you another one, man. You guys can see outside. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I got the grill going again, of course. We got just got some chicken legs, man. My wife wanted them, you know, barbecued up, so of course, got to do that for the wife. Just brought the kids back from practice and everything else, so just turned on the grill, man, waiting for it to actually turn on and everything else. And then put the drumsticks on, man, and have some good barbecue later. But that's not what this video is about, man. This video is about my next mods coming up, man. So let's talk about my next mods, man. So I got a package, right? I got a package in the mail, man. My my Amazon guy just dropped it off right now. So about to open this up, man. This is gonna be a clue as to what is coming, man. So I need you guys, I'm gonna open this up for you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys, you know, then you guys comment down below and think about, or tell me what you guys think it is, man. So let's go and open this up real quick. There you go, man. Some of you guys might have guessed it already what this might be, but let's see. Let's open it up. Let's open it up real quick. Boom, look at that. What do you guys think this is, man? I think these could be extended too. So there you go, man. You can extend these as well, up to a certain amount. There you go. All right, man, so there you go. So check these out, man. What do you guys think these are? Comment down below, man, and let me know what do you guys think these are. These are not the mods, but these go for, you know, for the other mods, I mean for the mods that are coming, man. So I actually got two things that are coming right now. So and one of them is crazy the way everything happened, man. You guys got to stay tuned for whenever that stuff comes in. And of course we'll do a story time because it really does deserve one, man. So we'll do a story time on how that happened. And then anyway, so on top of that, man, I got these as well to go with them, man. So what do you guys think this is? Again, comment down below and let me know, man. Like I said, these aren't the actual mods, man, but like I said, these are accessories for the mods. So let me know, man, what you guys think. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video, show you guys what I got, you know, coming up. Like I said, I got a bunch of mods. Well, I got a few mods that are coming, man. I ordered something else as well today. So it should be here by the end of the week. And then I had something else that was already on order as well. That should also be here during this week. So got a lot of things coming up, man. A lot of exciting things for sure. Man, Christine's gonna be so ready this summer, man. And if you don't know, like I said, man, the way I'm doing my mods is, well, first of all, I'm not doing the whole, if you guys been with me since the beginning, you guys know that I was doing like at a certain subscriber count or whatever, I was doing, you know, mods at a certain subscriber count. I'm not doing that anymore, man. I'm just gonna go ahead and just mod out as I feel fit. So I appreciate everybody who supported me in the beginning, and was subscribing and all the other good stuff, so we could get to certain milestones, so we could do mods at the certain milestones, man. But for now, we're not gonna do that anymore. That has ceased and desisted, something like that. And yeah, man. So we're just gonna do, you know, we're just gonna mod out from here on out. So as I see fit, I'm just gonna go ahead and mod and order parts, and just gonna keep modding, man. So but again, I appreciate everybody who got me up to, you know, however many subscribers we got for the last, you know, up to the last milestone for that. So I appreciate everybody, man. Other than that, again, we got a lot of things coming, man. I'm going to finish the outside before I start messing with anything else, probably performance-wise. Other than maybe like intake or whatever, I'll probably do like, you know, intake is whatever, small. Catch can is small. It's not really performance-wise, but you know, little things like that I'll probably go ahead and do. But as far as anything like major, I probably won't do anything until I finish the outside, man. Because I want to go ahead and focus on it, finish it, have it looking the way I want it. And then from there, we'll start doing the performance, man, and just go bananas on the performance, man. So because I also want to get her to that level as well. If you guys don't know, man, I dub her, obviously her name is Christine. Well, if you don't know, my car 2019 Charger ScatPack name is Christine, but I also dub her the Beauty and the Beast. So she is 2 in 1, the Beauty and the Beast, man. So right now she's kind of a beauty and she's kind of a beast, but at the end of the day, man, or she sounds like a straight monster for sure, but I want to make sure she actually performs as a beast, man. You know, so when people try me out there with other scat packs or wink wink other Hellcats, hey man, well, stock Hellcats anyway, you know, it might have a little surprise under that, you know, under that hood, man. But anyway, other than that, man, so we definitely want to get her there, like I said, but I'm going to finish out the outside first, and then from there we'll do the modifications for the motor and everything else, man. So like I said, she's coming, man. She's gonna get there. I've only had her, what, 5 months? Yep, about 5 months now, man. So I think we made a good progress, man, so far. So far, so good, man. But anyway, other than that, appreciate everybody for checking in, man. Appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you don't know, man, if this is your first video that you're watching of me, go back and watch some of my other videos. You guys gonna see the wheels that I have on her right now. They are the stock Hellcat wheels that it came with the dynamics package with the Scat Pack with Christine. So I am raffling off those wheels, man. So the target is $2,000 for the raffle to reach, because that's what basically I would sell outright if I were just to sell it outright. But I am opening it up for, you know, being that I'm doing YouTube, I'm opening it up for subscribers and for supporters, that they can get a chance to win some wheels, man. And that's at $5, man. So $5 gets you 1 ticket, and it's unlimited, man. So you could buy 10 tickets, you could buy 20 tickets, you could buy 30 tickets, you could buy whatever you want, man. Or you could just buy 1 ticket and call it a day. But at the end of the day, $5 equals 1 ticket. There goes Gianni, and there goes Noah.
No, $5 1 ticket.
$5 1 ticket, man. So they just finished coming. They just came back from jiu-jitsu. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
You mean your shower?
Well, I'm saying you came back from Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and now they just took a shower. So
we're in Brazil.
Yeah, so now they you know, now they're about to relax and everything else, wait for dinner to be done. But anyway, man, so yeah, so again, 1 ticket equals $5, man, and then from there, like I said, you could buy as many as you want, or you could just buy 1 and keep it as is. But anyway, man, so the link is in the description below, man, as far as the video that you actually could go in full detail as far as what you need to do to enter that raffle. Also, the PayPal is in the description below if you want to go to enter that raffle, man. So anyway, other than that, I greatly appreciate it, man. That goes my boy Noah right there, hanging out. What was that again?
Better subscribe.
Oh, he said better subscribe. Ooh, you know. Yo, yeah, you guys don't want those problems, man. He threatened you guys. You better subscribe. Anyway, man. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe again. Hit that notification bell, man. You don't want to miss what's going on. Like I said, I got a lot of things coming for Christine, man. It's going to be crazy. You guys do not want to miss it, man. Also got a couple features coming up that's going to be dope, man. You guys are going to be blown away by these features I got coming up, man. Trust me. Anyway, man, so other than that, they are Mopar, but they're crazy, man. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Like I always say, you know I'm your boy FatKat, man. And we see y'all on the next one, man. Later.